first thing I'm going to be using is this Dewy Smooth foundation, and is in Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just put a little bit on my face. Then I'm going to be using the Clinique Concealer Moderate Fair. I'm just going to use 2 dots on, not go like really a lot of concealer. Next I'm going to be using is a Dior blush, and this brush that I got, I'm not sure where this is from. I'm going to put it like really light. Some raw minerals. This is the Warm Glow, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face, a little bit. So I'm just gonna be getting a little bit. This gets me like a really nice glow, natural glow. And then I might get some with my fingers and put it on my eyelids, just to get it like some warmth. I'm gonna be getting two like different varieties of lip glosses and lipsticks, and this is the Kate, and this is in 17 Long Lasting Finish. This one with sure I got this one, so I'm just going to be using that a little bit on my lips. So it does give it a nice shade. So that is all for this natural makeup tutorial. It was really simple and easy and fast. So I really loved it, this like natural makeup, and I just thank you all for watching, and I had so much fun, and I'll see you all in my next video.